Welcome to another excited video of template tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create an animation poster. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, you have to go and change the slide here to blank. So from there, move on to the design tab and move on to slide size. Alright, so you're going to customize the slide size of our work. So we click here and click on A4, click on portrait and click on OK. So then click on maximize. Alright, so the first thing I would like us to do is to insert a rectangle at the top right here. So go to the insert tab. To do that, you have to go to the insert tab. And, because you said a rectangle, meaning that it's a shape. So you have to locate the shapes right here. Click on it and click on the rectangle right here. Click on it and then come and draw it. So just draw it this way. So gently align it at the top right here. Alright, so it is remove the outline. That's the line that goes across it, that's the outline. And right click on it and go to format shape. You're going to change the color of it. So it's either you do that by changing it right here, or just right click on it and go to format shape and do it right here. But when you right click on it and go here, it gives you a lot of properties that you can easily use in editing your shape. So you go to the shape fill here. So you see that the solid fill isn't selected. So just leave it as it is, and then click on the color here and click on this color right here. Alright, so with this one, so you are just simply going to duplicate this one to the bottom right here. So when I say duplicate, I mean simply make a copy of it. So to do that, you can either select it this way and use Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. But the easiest way is to just select it this way. Click and hold, press and hold your Ctrl key and drag. Dragging, you have to use a mouse to drag. So dragging it, you can easily place it somewhere around here. Alright, so I'm going to increase the height a little. Alright, so with this one, I'm just going to make another duplication of this one. That's another copy. So I'll simply align it somewhere around here. So I'm going to change the color of this one. So just as it has been selected, you see the properties of it has appeared at the right side of our screen. So just go and click on the color here and click on this color right here, because that's the color that I want us to use. Alright, so it is, let me increase the height also of this one a little. And increase this one also maybe a little. Alright, so the next thing again I'd like us to do is to go to the insert tab and insert a text box. So go to the insert tab right here. So you see we have the text box right here. Just click on it and come and click anywhere at all to be inserted. Alright, except on the shape. So you see when it has been inserted this way, the first text I want us to insert will be the school name. So if you have a school name, you simply have to place it in there. But I don't have one, so I'll simply use something like school name. So after the school name, we also have possibly the tagline or logo. So I'll go with School of Excellence. Alright, so I'll simply select all of them. Alright, let me take this one for the first time. Alright, so with this one, that's the school name. We are going to format it. So simply click here and click on Impact. That's the font that I want us to use. We'll be using the impact font for it. So we'll reselect it again. So we'll give it 20. Alright, so the color, choose white. So go and take this one also as well. With this one, the font, I want us to use Times New Roman. Alright, so I'll make it bold. So this one also, let me make it white and gently place them inside here. Alright, so when you simply align it here, just leave it as it is. So now the next thing again I would like us to do is to insert an image here. So you see the white space here, we are going to insert image and place it there. Alright, so I already have the image in my device. So go with insert and go to pictures. As I told you, I already have it in my device. I'll click on this device. But in situation where you don't have it in your device, go with online pictures. So here I want to use this image right here. Alright, so let me gently place it somewhere around here. Alright, so increase the size a little. I think this way is okay. Alright, so again, you see here when you have a logo also, let's insert our logo. I don't have a logo, but we're just going to use something as my logo. So go to the insert tab, go to pictures. So this one, I'm going to use this one as my logo. So I'll gently place it here. Let me reduce the size a little. Alright, so I'm using this one as my logo. Alright, so again, let's go and insert. We are going to insert another text here. That's on the picture. So I'm just going to make a copy of this one. Just duplicate it. So I'll select it. The text that I want to insert there is 2025 admission. Now open. Alright, so let me select it and just choose black so that it will appear well, so I can easily edit it. Alright, so the 2025, I'll select that one. So click here. Alright, so when you click, we'll use this font, and the size I'll go with possibly 28, and the color I'll go with this color. Alright, so I'll take this one also. So okay, it's already impact, so I'm just going to simply increase the size, and the color I'll go with this color. So the last one also, we'll go with this one. The size also, let's go with 28. The color, we'll go with this color. Alright, so let me zoom it in a little. Alright, so we can gently align it here. So again, let's make a copy of this one right here. So we are going to change this text to enroll now. So select all of it and choose the impact as well. Alright, so the color, okay, I'll leave it this color. So let me gently close this one in also. So with this one, I'm going to make a copy of this one. So this is how we are going to do it. I'll make a copy of this one, but I'll not just take it off on it. So with this one, you see I've made a copy of it. I'm just going to select that one and change the color of it. So this one. Alright, so I'll simply bring it back. Let me select it. So the bottom one will save as its shadow. So I'll gently place it on top like this. Alright, so let's now make another copy here. Oops. Alright, so with this one, I'm just going to select it this way. So I'm just going to go with something like, there's going to be a contact info. Alright, so let's change the font of it, the font size. So I'll select it this way and choose possibly maybe 18. So the color, let's choose black. Alright, so at the bottom of it also, we are going to insert maybe email. So the email, I don't have one, so I'm just going to use something like schoolname@gmail.com. So by selecting the font also, let me change it to this one. Alright, so I think this is not bad. Alright, so by moving on next, I want us to insert a shape. So a couple of shapes, that's rounded rectangle. So to do that, we simply have to go to the insert tab. So I have my rounded rectangle here. Just click on it, drag here to draw, or just click once to insert it. Alright, so with this, I'm going to increase the width of it. I'm talking about the outline rather. So you see, as the shape has been selected, the properties has appeared at the right side of our screen. So simply just select it this way, go to line. So the line will talk about the outline. So just come here. So with the width, come and change the size there to 8 or 7. So I'm also going to change the color to white. So I'll then come and click on the picture or texture fill, because you are going to insert a picture in there. So let me gently reduce the size a little. Alright, so I'll make a copy of it a couple of times. We align this one here and make another copy here. Alright, so with the first one, I'm going to insert a picture. So you see, when I select it, I have to come to the insert here. That's the insert button. that under the picture source. So when you click on the insert here, it will take you somewhere around here. So assuming if I was having internet connection, you know, I would have go with the first button here. But as I'm not having internet connection and I'm going to work with offline because I have the pictures in my device, I'll go with work offline. So this is a picture that I want to insert. So I'll go with this one also. Click here, work offline. So I will set this picture right here. So with this one also, I'll work offline and go with this one. Alright, so with this one also, let's make a copy of the text here. So I'll select all of it and I'm going to change the text also. So the text will be, your child deserves the best education. So I'll select all of it. Alright, it's already this font, so I think I'll only change the size and the color. So the size, let's go with 28. And the color, like the first two lines, let's change the color of it. So I'll go with this one. Alright, the also, let's change this one. So the best education, let's go with color white. Alright, so let's make a copy of it also as well. So we are going to change the text there. So the text will be interactive and engaging activities. Alright, so I'll select all of it and change the size to 20. And the color, I'll go with this color. So let me align it to the center. So and gently align it at the top here. So we'll make a copy of it here. So with this one, we are going to change the size and remove the bold also. So this one, that will be the activities that we have. But I don't have the activities. So I'm just going to do something like first activity. So, okay, let me do it activity 1. Alright, so I'll close it in a little. So when I have activity 1 here, maybe I'll have activity 2, 3, and 4. Alright, so let me just select all of this and make another copy to the right side. Alright, so let's now change this. Activity 2, activity 3, activity 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one will be activity 8. If only you have more activities, that's why I'm doing it, you see. So you can easily insert it there. So let's now go ahead and insert some bulletin there. So just go to the insert tab, go to shapes, and go with this circle. So let me increase the size a little so you can have a clear view. Alright, so this bullet is okay. So I'll reduce the outline and I'll choose color white. Alright, so let's gently place it maybe here. So I'll make a copy of this one here. Alright, so I'll do the same thing. So let me just select the two of it, make a copy here. Alright, so let's select the 4 of it here. Oops. I'm talking about this one. So let's make a copy to the right side. Alright, so we can zoom out also. So next again, let's make a copy here. So the text will be about our campus. So I'll gently align that one also somewhere around here and make another copy here. So with this one, I already have some text, so I'm just going to simply paste it there. Alright, so let me take this one and increase the size a little. Alright, so I'm just positioning it all. So let me zoom out a little so we can have a clear view of our poster. Alright, so as you can see, everything is well fit and done. Thank you so much for watching and see you later in my next video.